Hello, I'm Jackson Dahirwe. I'm working on the project called Global Strategy under the goal conduct business globally. So in this project, Acme, an American business, wishes to build a manufacturing plant in Vietnam. So in order to facilitate sales in India and China. So Vietnam is a country that located in southern part of Asia, and it is bordered by China in the north, and Cambodia and Laos to the west. So with this, I'm going to talk about the key considerations related to supply chain management Acme has to consider while offshoring its manufacturing overseas. So starting to supply chain management, it is the management of the flow of goods and services and all activities that change raw materials into the final product ready to be consumed. So another part is push model. A push model is the manufacturing model by which companies produce a product with the influence of the customers' demand, where those forecasted demand can cause companies to supply those products on the market. So another factor is push model. Pull model. So pull model is the manufacturing model where the product is based on actual demand. So again, there is a horizontal dimension. So it is the business structure that allows employees, allows workers in the organization to feel engaged in all business activities due to how there are few managers. So again, there is a vertical dimension, which is the business structure that follows a top-down structure in an organization. To mean that the orders are provided from the top, where the subordinates are just there to follow or what come from the top leaders. So another point is key supply chain activities. Those are activities that are there to help in the running of the business. So again, there is qualities of top performing supply chain chains, including vision, analyzing data, and optimizing inventory. Also, another key is principal component of supply chain management. Here there are 5 main elements that are component of supply chain management. Those elements are sourcing, making, delivering, and returning. So moving to the next part of this video, the first, let us go to the advantages and disadvantages Acme could face while doing its business in Vietnam. So from the advantages, in Vietnam there are low cost, where this will help Acme just to have materials or resources at a low price, where this will help it just to benefit from low cost, and this can increase Acme's revenue. So another point is cheap labor. So in Vietnam, due to how it has many people or overpopulation, this caused the Vietnam just to have a high rate of unemployment, where to get employment is difficult. So with this, since there are many unemployed people, Acme will have cheap workers. So another point also, Acme will invest easily due to how this country promotes direct foreign investment. To mean direct, Acme will invest without any problem. So let us move to the disadvantages Acme can face during this running business in Vietnam. So the first one is there is time difference. Due to time difference, Acme widget will be a challenge to Acme to coordinate or to control all the business in Vietnam, since there are different time zone. So where Acme for example, in America, they can be in the evening, where in Vietnam, they can be in the morning, and this can be difficult just to coordinate the business. Again, there is a language barrier. So about language barrier, in Vietnam, many people just used to use Vietnamese, while American also use English, and this will be difficult just to have a common understanding in communication. So again, there is price fluctuation, where the price change often, and this can impact Acme just to be in loss. So again, also there is a higher level of corruption, where Acme employees can work under this condition, and this can harm the Acme business. So thank you so much.